Hello, so I wanted to answer a few questions about Thinglink quick with a video just so that everyone understands. So here is my Thinglink account, and this is the Thinglink I shared with you. There's a couple of ways you can go about making it public and sharing it. So one way is in this screen, you push these three little buttons and you can go to settings, and then you can change it to public, unlisted, whichever one. These two should work for sharing them with me. And then push save. To share that with me, you can open it up, and then there's this big nice blue button that says share. Click on that, go to share link, and copy and paste that link there. So I'm going to copy the link. Another way you can change your settings is going to the little tool here and changing your settings right in your Thinglink as well. So I have my URL copied. I'm going to go to my binder. Now in your binder, it should have your name here, and it should be in the assignments tab in your Google Classroom so that you're editing your binder that is assigned to you. So what you're going to do then is what I explained in the other video. You're going to highlight the text. You're going to push Control K. This box should pop up. You paste the link there and you push apply so that when I hover over this, you should see a preview of what was shared there for your Thinglink. Again, to hyperlink the text, you can highlight the text here. Another way you can hyperlink it is by going to Inserts, and you can go to Link, where it then tells you Control K is the shortcut, and then the box pops up for you to paste your URL in that you just copied from your Thinglink.